Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. My name's Charlotte and today I'm going to show you around this lovely Defender D240 SE 110 in Eiger Grey. This car has previously had one owner. It's next due for a service in the next 90 days, therefore it will be done before it's collected, and it's done at 16,877 miles. As it's part of our approved used, you get a minimum 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the vehicle and then I'll get inside and show you all the technology that it has to offer. So you have LED headlights with daytime running lights, giving the car a modern exterior. 20-inch 5 split spoke gloss black alloys for a sportier look. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have enough space there for 3 passengers, including isofix brackets, which is ideal for families, and a centre armrest for maximum comfort. Going in towards your boot, you have plenty of space there for personal items, and you can also put the seats forward if you do need extra room. You also have an electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one, and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. Continuing around the car, you also have a black contrasting roof, privacy glass, keyless entry and fixed side steps, making it easier to get in and out. Going into the driver's side, you have electrically adjustable front seats, a leather steering wheel, ebony woven textile seats, along with a jump seat in the middle, which can also be folded down to be an armrest. So that is the end of your 360 tour. I'm now going to get inside the vehicle and show you all the technology. On your right you have memory seats, which are practical if there's several people driving the vehicle, along with a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. Blind spot monitor, making motorway driving safer and easier. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, which is practical for longer journeys. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go, and voice control. You have an interactive driver display where you can view your vehicle, media, trip, and view and change your display, for example if you want the full map in front of you. In the middle you have a touchscreen with sat-nav, Bluetooth and DAB radio. You also have other functions, including a 3D surround camera, making parking and reversing so much easier, especially if you're not used to the size of the car. Heated front seats, which are definitely a luxury, especially in winter. You can also control your tow bar from inside the vehicle, which saves you even having to get out of the car. And you have valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so that a valeter can only access your climate control, keeping things like your address safer. Down here you have various different driving modes, depending on the weather or where you're driving the car, making it suitable for all conditions. And finally you have a clear sight interior rear view mirror, that's your mirror that can also be a camera if you can't see out the back window, for example when you're towing. Stepping back outside the car, thank you for watching this video on this lovely Defender D240 SE 110 in Eiger Grey, which is part of our approved used. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.